Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am just going to be showing you guys my super easy ponytail, like the way that I usually do them when I do have a frontal unit that isn't a 360, but I am able to cover the back with the ponytail. So this company is called Ghairs, and I will leave the wig details below. But I have their body wave lace front wig, and it is 24 inches. I do recommend getting a wig over 22 inches in order to, you know, have a ponytail that does cover the back, so it doesn't show that there isn't like a 360 lace, if that makes sense.
You just keep playing me, playing me.
So you guys, after I get the hair up in a ponytail, I tuck the lace that is left in the back. I tuck it under with some bobby pins. You can cut it off, but I never cut it off. I just never cut it off because usually I sell the units and I don't know if that person wants to measure it to the back of their head or not, but I never use it, so I just tuck it in the back and it makes it less visible. And then I'm just putting it in a ponytail, not pulling too hard. Usually I like to do this with a scarf already over my head, just so I don't rip the lace up, because I think I did do this method with Got to Be.
Catch my breath, I watch you go. I can't forget the things you put me through. You don't care, you got me wrapped around you. I come back, you love that, I know you do. Feeling numb, feeling blind, I'm feeling used, but I keep running back to you. And you keep playing me like a fool. I can't stop running.
So here, as you guys can see, I'm just going to be cutting some sideburns. I always love sideburns. They are optional. A lot of people don't like them, but I like them when I am wearing a frontal wig. I just think it looks more natural, in my opinion, mainly because even when I do like a ponytail with my natural hair, I have sideburns out, so that's probably why I do it. But I am taking some Eco Styler and I just am doing those edges. They look a little crusty, but they won't at the end. They just looking a little dusty right now. I don't know why, probably because the gel is just fresh. But yes, this little toothbrush that I am using, you can get from your local beauty supply for $1, and it has a comb on the other end.
I cannot stop running. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars.
So here, my ring light, I turned it off because I had to plug the flat iron in, and like as you guys can see, there's only one plug in the bathroom, so I don't really like having my ring light on when I'm using a flat iron or something, just because it gets so hot. Like if you do YouTube, or if you're planning to, you'll understand, like when you're in like one little section with all this heat, it gets overwhelming and hot. But yes, I am taking the flat iron and I'm just adding some cute curls in there. I'm not doing them too uniform, otherwise I would have just used my wand. So as you guys can see, it won't be like super tight curls, it'll be like messy. I don't know, I just like the messy like ponytail look, so that is what I'm going to be doing. And then after that, I'm going to be done.
Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Play me up like a song, you shut me down. I want to let you go, but I give in, I stay around. I got to let you know I've got to go, I'm done with you. Feeling numb.
So you guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, it was a very messy ponytail, so like I said, it's not very uniform. The curls aren't tight extremely. I just like how it looks. I usually do this hairstyle when I'm like running errands or something, or just want like a natural messy look. I think it's cute. I don't know, some people might not think it's cute, but I thought it was really adorable. That is why I gave you guys a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just dislike it. But thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.
I see nothing but stars falling.